Good morning again. Happy New Week again. Dear brothers, sisters, colleagues in the hustle of trading. How was your weekend? I hope you had a good one. I had a good weekend, just in case you're asking. And thank you for asking, if you actually asked in your heart. It's time for community service to create dope traders through teaching and inspiring. Please tell me you reviewed your trades during the weekend. Whether you guys trade gold or not, whether you guys trade Nasdaq or not, please try and watch the Nasdaq video, because I cannot repeat all the things I said there, but there was a lot of pep talk or wisdom, if I may, that could help your trading psychology, because what we do on here is to share ideas. Trading zones, simplify trading for price action traders, and some pep talk to help psychology. So I'm a Christian, and there's a place in the Bible that says faith comes by hearing, and by hearing of the word of God. So in other words, repetition can build faith. In other words, repetition can also build a good trading psychology. So because of that, I keep saying the same things over and over again, sometimes in different words, but all the same things. Because the main thing here is, the main thing that any trader needs to be better is a trading psychology. It's a good trading psychology. I'll tell you, I used to hear this in my beginning days, and I did not take it seriously. If you are not very good with the technicals, but you have a good trading psychology, there is still a chance for profitability for you in the market. Because at the end of it, all right, what do we do on here? There's only two things to do on the market: one, buy; two, sell. Period. So you can decide to guess and buy, and you'll be right. Guess and sell, and you'll be right as well. After all of us, what got everybody, the one thing that got everybody glued to trading, which in my opinion is the fact that when you first started to trade, you made a lot of money. And because of that, you now thought it was going to be normal. And you know one of the reasons why you made those monies, can I tell you? It is because at that time, you have not started having emotions mixed with the market, because you were new, you were just being carefree. You're just being carefree, and because of that, you could make money. But obviously, while trading, when the market starts showing you that you don't own it, it owns you. Emotions start getting in and all of that, and it starts getting messed up. So while you are chasing after strategy, please chase after a good trading psychology. I am a big advocate for it, and that's the reason why I do not stop speaking about it. So I am very big on habit forming. I do a lot of things that I'm only able to achieve because of my ability to build habits. I figured out sometime in my life that we don't need to be disciplined all the time. Follow me? So you don't get me wrong. We don't need to be disciplined all the time. We just need to be disciplined long enough. Sorry, I'm not just wasting time. I'm just looking at the charts to make sure I don't miss any area, okay? But I'm just talking in between. You don't need to be disciplined for a long time. You just need to be disciplined enough to make that thing a habit. For instance, if you want to go to the gym, if you want to work out, I go to the gym every day, including Saturdays. I only needed to be disciplined long enough for it to become a habit. Right now, it is easier for me to go to the gym than to not go to the gym. Because why? It is a habit. Most of the bad things we do, they are habits, and we just do them effortlessly, even without thinking. So you can use habits in your favor if you can create good habits. So you just need to be disciplined long enough to create a good trading style, a good trading habit. You need to be disciplined long enough to not overtrade, disciplined long enough to not over leverage, disciplined long enough to not revenge trade. And with time, it will become part of you, and you don't need discipline for it anymore because it is part of you. What are we looking at trading today? price has broken a daily resistance. There's been a lot of move. Let's see, what's the range of this move? It's a lot. Let's see. What am I going to do? What will I do? So there is a chance, right? If this candle should close right here, it would have been a bullish candle, correct? But there's a chance that because it just broke out, the second candle might want to, because this is the breakout here if you look at it, because see price pushed on here, had this little reaction before pushing up. But I don't want to put any zone there because, okay, maybe I can. No, not there though, maybe here. Let's see. So sometimes when I stop to do things or think, understand that when I get on the chart, when I get on the chart, English. When I get on the chart, I'm seeing it for the first time. What I do, I open my recorder. I use the recording software called Camtasia. I get on it. I click recording. I open Trading View. I click record. So I'm seeing it. If you notice, when I'm greeting you guys is when I'm clearing the lines of the last time because I'm seeing it for the first time. So give me some time to process. Capiche? Capiche. Okay, back to what we're looking at. If we get this candle to close bullish, I can try to, I will not put full risk on. I can try to take a trade towards, so I don't know how long it's going to be. So assuming it does not exceed this point, I can set a buy limit around here and put my stop loss below this candle to see if price retraces to respect this area before pushing back up. However, if it stops me out, that's why I say I'm putting a small risk. If it stops me out, then I'll wait for the next candle to give me a bullish confirmation, then buy to go up. However, if price pushes down here and gives a bullish confirmation from here, we have a good 600 pip range around here. So if price pushes to this area, and I use the word areas intentionally because support and resistance is not a number, it's an area. That's why not every time, that's why I use rectangles. If you notice, I use rectangles for my support and resistance because I like to cover an area. So if price pushes down here and gives a bullish confirmation, buy. In this area, in this range right here, I do not think I will do anything. It's quite a reasonable range, right? But the only reason why, okay, let's ignore this place. I might trade here, but I don't want to go into much explanation of trading in this zone because I don't want to confuse anybody and make anybody make any kind of bad decision. Now this area is another zone right here. So if all in these two areas, let's keep them. If price pushes down here and gives a bullish confirmation from here, buy. Push down here, bullish confirmation, buy. Push down here, bullish confirmation, buy. Please, my people, remember, give me a second. Remember that I trade on the 30 minutes time frame, right? So when I'm speaking about candle confirmations, I mean close on the 30 minutes. You have to wait. Don't assume what the candle is going to do just because it's 30 seconds for the candle close, because 30 seconds, in fact 5 seconds is enough for the candle to become something different. Capish? So however, for sales, I know I am not going to sell in any of these areas. I'll probably only sell if this, for instance, if this candle pushes back in, right, then I will not do anything because I have no confirmation. I will not do anything because there's no confirmation. If it pushes back in here, closes bearish, I would wait for the next candle to see if it's just a retest or if it's now switching. Then if the second candle happen to be bearish around this area, if this candle closes bearish, please follow me. If this candle closes bearish, if the second candle closes bearish, then I can know that, okay, maybe it's struggling to break this resistance, and then I can decide to sell to see how far it goes. However, if price pushes and closes below this area, good area to sell. If price pushes and closes below this area, sell, sell. Push and close below this area, sell. Remember, guys, that, okay, I just need to say, I know this video is long. I mentioned this in the NASDAQ video that on Mondays, I will try to be explaining more, to give more so that people don't think we're just on here saying buy here, sell here. There's a thought process to it. But because usually I like my videos to be very short, I just go straight to the point. But so I decided on Mondays I will make the videos a lot more lengthy. Then I will explain the thought process better. Let me know, guys, if you agree with this or not. If you don't say anything about it, then I'll just go to the regular way. Anyway, that would be all for gold. Please try to trade responsibly. Please remember that I do not trade all these zones. I only have different ideas based on different things that the market could do. I am not a trader that gets on the market to say I am selling today, I am buying today. Everybody has their strategy. This is my strategy is to trade what I see. All right, so all of these different ideas gives me different things to do based on what the market shows me. I wish you guys a beautiful day trading, a beautiful great trading. Please keep interacting, keep supporting. Thank you for your support so far. We all want to see each other win and see each other at the top. Wish you a beautiful day trading, a beautiful week trading. Peace out.
Jesus is wiping away your tears.